We're so back. Mhm. Bro, why was there an error saving my stats? Okay, I guess it worked. Yo, how you doing, Harry? Good to see you. Oh, you messaged me on Discord. That's all good. No stress. Hope you get better soon. Alright. So I'm not feeling 100%, so I'm probably just gonna watch in the background stuff that I saw chat. Everyone is kind of fried still, man. That's all good, man. Just keep resting. Do whatever you want. No stress. All good. I'm just doing some typing exercises at the moment and then just start studying. I actually have like a exercise I have to do. Damn, I'm typing too, my accuracy's kind of buns on faster. Yeah, that's a problem. Like the faster you go, the worse your accuracy is. So like with these exercises, I'm like trying to slow myself down because I'm trying to be as accurate as possible to just practice more so like making sure that my fingers are going to the right keys. Because sometimes like I notice when I'm typing like a B, it's like my other hand that's typing the B. When I'm typing a Z, I'm actually using my ring finger. So I'm trying to get like real accurate with which fingers are typing which keys. But yeah, when I'm real locked in, I went like I showed you like 140 words per minute. But like I can't maintain that without making mistakes constantly. I can't believe like I don't know, people don't learn how to type like in school. I feel like it's so important. Like before I learned how to type with like all my fingers, I was typing I think like 30 words per minute with just like my two index fingers. And that was with like a lot of experience typing too. Like I didn't have to look at the keyboard to type. So yeah, like in 2026 is kind of crazy how it's not like mandated. 140, like I showed you, that was like one time, and that was like I was real locked in. If I ever like type 140, like let me try. I'm gonna make a ton of mistakes. Well, 80 is good, especially if you get really accurate at 80. Where is it? Maybe reinforcement. We'll go to the beginner assessment. Alright, cool. So not all dog owners will find that the breed they are raising is suitable for dog training. Sometimes it has to do with the breed, but other times it has to. I've also done this exercise before, so I have an advantage. I've learned the words. Zestful agility potential. Each puppy will have a different temperament. Alright, see the letter. If you are considering purchasing a puppy based on its ability to train for agility, then you may want to do more than focus on one puppy test. It often takes multiple tests to. What was that? 97. Not the best. Not the best. I wonder what it would be if I just like ignored errors, but also like it's kind of muscle memory for me to delete any errors, so I don't think I could just do it. Let's try easy top row words. Quartz, quail. Oh, this is disgusting. But yeah, I also just love learning the type because like at work, everyone's like so impressed, and it's like I don't know. It's not that like cool, but I don't know. People like can't believe it. I do really like it. It's so weird. I guess um like if you don't work in tech, people like if you work in tech, everyone types like that, you know. If you type like slow, people probably make fun of you in tech. Damn, 2 hours typing time. I really need a day off just to like code for 12 hours straight. Because I feel like I always have something on, and it's always like I made like a 6 hour thing, but like if it's a 6 hour thing in the middle of your day, it takes up your whole day. You know what I mean? Especially when there's like a commute involved. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna be right back. Just like, I'm gonna get a glass of water and I'm gonna start coding. By the way, I don't know if you use the Microsoft Docs, but these are actually so good for C Sharp. Like, I don't like Microsoft, but I'll give it to them. Like, this is actually like really good. I'm not even up to this. I'm up to this. I'm up to challenge 3. That's okay. Yeah. All right, be right back. Yeah, they're good. I've never used them though. Well, if you're ever programming in C Sharp, I definitely recommend you are like if you get stuck on anything, you use them. Oh, this is really annoying. Why am I getting an error for white space? So why am I hard coding a size? That doesn't make sense, but alright, whatever. It's not lined up. You know, I reckon maybe after I finish this C# course, I'm gonna install Mint. There's just like there's nothing that like I can't do on Mint, and I feel like I just prefer using it, you know? And I'm not even like I know like games are good on Mint, but I'm not even really much of a gamer. Like, I just don't really enjoy computer games anymore. It's kind of sad. But man, do I really miss like Windows 7, the Windows Vista, Windows 7 look. Like this is so beautiful. It's like we went back in like technology. I don't know. Yeah, Mint's really good. I was thinking Mint or Ubuntu. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I've heard Mint's easier. Hmm. Also really like this one. I like this silver. I'm gonna go with this one. I like it. It also kind of fits the Windows 11 theme. I've reinstalled Mint, and there are some parts that are a little annoying, but I can help you if you need it, so don't worry. Okay, that's good. For the most part, though, I've heard it's like a pretty easy, beginner-friendly Linux OS. Oh, bro, what is that? Oh, it's looking for the period. But there's two. I'm gonna change this variable. Sentences. Okay, fine. Use your shitty variable naming. Hold on, let me see what you said. Yeah, it's super easy for Linux. Also, I realized yesterday that I only have one drive on my laptop and I'm dual booting. Ooh, that's not good. Haven't had any issues yet, but I might have to delete Windows on my laptop and just use Mint to be safe. Yeah, you might like get overwriting issues, right? You might like corrupt data. I'm surprised you haven't had any issues. I didn't even know you could do that. Maybe you partitioned, did you partition like the drive? Some for Windows, some for Linux, Mint? Because maybe that's okay. I don't really know how it works. I feel like I can do when it comes to all that stuff. Okay, has to be used to process each element of the string in the outer loop. Right. Takes of method. Yeah, you have to have separate partitions regardless, makes sense. Yeah, that's what I've heard. I haven't had any issues. I use my laptop, but much mainly use my PC. So does it really make a difference though? Because they're all still on the same base drive, I believe. Okay, gotcha. Alright, I just gotta be right back. We'll be back soon. Hello? I'm back. Sorry, I had to take a fat shit. I can't lie. What can I say? It's the coffee. What'd you say when I was gone? Still on the same base drive, I believe, and that's dangerous. If they're on like two separate partitions but on the same drive, like, can you override data on the other partition? Yeah, just delete Windows. Save yourself the hassle. It's only getting worse, so it's like, what's the point? I've heard a calculator had a bug where it just straight up didn't work. No, no, not calculator, terminal, which is so much worse. And apparently, Microsoft wants 30% of their code to be written by AI. Twenty to 30% of Microsoft code. That's why it's so shit. So terrible. So I'm kind of zoning out playing Brawlhalla, so I'm not gonna respond that much. That's all good. No stress. But yeah, apparently Windows and Linux on the same job can be risky, but I don't need to look into it. I've heard a lot of the community say that though, so I'm sure there's some truth to it. Yeah, that makes sense. There's probably some merit to it. Maybe just a normal full loop for this one actually. Maybe it doesn't matter. I don't know. Oh, for fuck's sake. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Okay, let me redo everything. Oh my god. me see. This should work, but I just know it's not gonna work, man. Please, for the love of God, just work. Fuck. Yo. Hey, James. Sorry if you sent that message ages ago, bro. I haven't been looking at my stream. Keep on streaming, bro. It'd be awesome to continue. It'd be awesome to see you continue grow and learn a code. Thank you so much, bro. Appreciate it. But right now I'm in hell. This is really confusing. Why is it just printing the first sentence? Does it print it with a period? Just save it. I'm gonna soon be coming over. Just gonna finish this project. It's proving me really painful. I like pizza. Okay, so at least it gets rid of the full stop. Okay, so what's going on? In our loop, we're going through each element of the array. So two elements. The first one is this one. Okay. In the first one, we're setting period location to the first element of the array, and we're looking at the first instance of the period. So that one. The first instance is this. And while period location does not equal 1, does not equal minus 1, sorry, we do this. We set sentence to the substring 0 to period location, so that's sentence. And we sentence that remove period location, so we just have this. Then we trim start, so we get rid of all the white space. Then we print, we console.writeLine the sentence. Then we now set period location to my string index of period to period location. So from this one to this. I feel like that's not right. Parameters, text two parameters, it's character X. It has to be this, because that's why it's repeating forever. Console.writeLine period location. Well, yep, it's not changing. That's why. don't understand. This is 12. Shouldn't this be starting? Or maybe because it's finding itself. Wait, what if I do +1? Swear to God this works, bro. This isn't janky ass code. Please, for the love of God, work. You do not see short. Oh my God. It kind of worked. Man, what the fuck is that? I like pizza. Yeah, the first thing worked. Awesome. Then it was, did I like pizza again? Oh, that's why. How do I do that? Let's try this again. Let's move this to the top. I feel like I'm getting there. Okay. So yeah, it finds the first period at 12, I like pizza, and then it finds the next one at 34. But then does I like pizza again. Why does it do that? Because my string substring starts at 0. This is probably why. So it needs to be period underscore location. So it needs to start at 34. No. It needs to start at the previous period location. Oh, fuck me, bro. It needs to start at index 12. Okay. It can't start at 34. We need to start at character 13 onwards. Okay. Let's comment this all out and let's just write it again. So, what's going on? We find the index at 12. Okay. Sentence equals my underscore string dot substring. So we need to start it off from the beginning of the sentence. So 0 at the moment. Let's hold a variable. So start to fuck, I don't want start index. Period location. Okay, that sounds fair. That's what we set sentence to. Then we set sentence to sentence dot remove period location. So we get rid of the period, and let's create some white. Let's remove the white space with trim start. Far out. And then let's console dot write line sentence. And we reset period location to my string dot index of full stop period location +1. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to somehow set the start variable to 0 and then 12. How do we do that? I guess we could do like start equals period underscore location. So that'll be 0. But then once we get here, it's going to be 34. We're just going to skip I like roasted chicken. So it needs to be 13. Unless we have a second one, so a sentence. So we do like start equals. Oh, far out. I have a variable with start. My underscore string dot index. Oh. Like a counter sort of thing. Let's just console row line again. I know nothing's changed, but I just want to see it. Like, this is taking way too long. Wait. Oh my god, I think I fixed it. No, was it because I had 0? I think it's because I had 0. Holy shit, what is that? I like Roa. I like roast chicken. Oh, what's going on, bro? So 12, because we're starting at index 12 now. Again, I don't want start index. Don't know how many times I gotta say it. Wait, period location maybe minus itself? That's not gonna work. That's just gonna go back to 0. I think I need some sort of like counter sort of thing. It's gonna have the exact same, yep. Fuck, I think I figured it out. Looks like this is like really basic. I don't know why my brain's just not working. Please work. Did I just figure it out? Oh my god. Almost. So 12 and 12 are 13. Why is it doing 34? Thirteen, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Why is it not doing that? Okay, it's doing I like pizza well. 0 to 40. Maybe we shouldn't do the boss one just in case. It should work. And that just broke everything awesome. Fucking hell. Guess what else have boss one? Let's go into 13 to 34. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. guess that should work. It's putting that in a sentence. So my string, substring, start sentence, period, location. Okay. Remove period locations if it needs to be -1, that's why. Why is it 34? Okay. Yo, I've been not paying much attention to strings. Don't worry, they can be weird. Bro, this is literally driving me mental. Oh, like extremely weird. It's just all the indexing. So, I think I'm on the right track. I've managed to figure out how to get the first sub-sentence. But 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I start at 13, which is good. We go to 34 for some reason, which is this one. I don't want to go to 34. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 8, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. No, that's correct. Why is it not getting rid of the bloody period? Fucking hell. So it needs to be a substring. Why is it not a substring? 13 to 34. It should be a substring. There's nothing wrong with that. Remove period location, so remove 34. Trim start. Then sentence. Holy shit. I don't understand what's wrong with it. Like, it shouldn't be wrong. Maybe start sentence. Start sentence equals 0. Let's just spam a few more of these. Oh my god, what am I doing? Shit. Fuck. My bad. Getting can see it now. There you go. Okay. It's on a double print here. So, the first instance, the first 0 to 12. That's correct. I like pizza. Perfect. Then it's 0 to 12 again because we haven't done anything. That makes sense. Then we do this. We do this. And then it's 13 to 34. This is breaking me. I don't understand what's wrong. I need more white space. There's too much going on. That. I might have to call it a day. Like, I might have to come back to this later because I got something on. 0 to 12. That works. Okay, it's 13 to 34. So we start off at 13. Shit. We end at 34. That's our new substring. And we set to sentence. And then we do sentence.remove period dot location, which is 34. That is the period's location. And then we trim start to get rid of the white space. Because this is 13. It has to be that. It has to be the white space, right? But no, like, it shouldn't be a problem. I don't get it. And we set start sentence to period location +1. Do I just get fucking shushed? You know what? Stop it. I'm co-piloting this. Harry, I don't know if you're there. I don't know if you're playing Brawlhalla. You're probably in an intense match right now. But like, genuinely, what is wrong with my code? I'm gonna show you the output. I don't know what's wrong with it. Like, why is it doing this? It is set to sentence. And then solid get cuts out, but it doesn't get cut out at the period. We are literally creating a substring from 13 to 34, yet it goes past 34. Fuck my life. God help me, please. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back to this. I'm gonna have to end stream because I got something on. Oh. Okay, wait, my game's on. Okay, let me explain to you my code. So, yeah, that's all good. That's all good. I'll go out. We have a array called myStrings. In this array, we have two elements. The first one is 3 sentences. Well, the third one doesn't have a period. The second one is this sentence. Create the variable period location. I initialize sentence because I'm going to make each of these go in sentence. And then I have the variable start sentence. So that's defined the first letter of like the new sentence. Then for each like myString in myString, so for each element in this array, we're grabbing the period location. So myString.index of, maybe that's why, I don't know. We're grabbing the period location, so we're grabbing this one, so that's 12. Then while period location does not equal -1, so -1 is when there's no period found, it errors out. Console.writeLine start sentence to period location. Start sentence is 0, period location 12. So literally that. Then we make the variable sentence. Sentence is a substring of the first element. So 0 to 12, literally that. Then we remove the period location, so 12. Then we trim start, so we get rid of all the white space, which there's none in this example. Then we console.writeLine it, as you can see. Then we set start sentence to period location +1. So it goes from here to here, and it finds the next period. So that's 13 is the start sentence. Period location is 34. Then it goes through this again. Then, for some reason, it knows it's 13 to 34. Sentence substring is 13 to 34. So it should literally be that. Then we remove period location. It hasn't done that for some reason. 34 is the period location. So it should basically just remove that. And it should trim start it so there's no white space. And yet it doesn't do that. It spits this out. Yo, can you move your webcam to the other side to help? Oh, my bad. Shit. Does that explain it at all, though? It's got to be like I don't know. It shouldn't be this though. No, because this is in the outer loop. 13 to 34. Yeah, I kind of get it. Okay. My brain's not. That's all good. But do you agree, like, it shouldn't make any, like, mistakes? How the hell is it printing this? Like, it doesn't even make sense. It's 13 to 34. I even console.writeline it. Maybe I should console.writeline the sentence as well. Like here. Make sure we're getting the right substring. Let me actually do that and see what happens. How? It's 13 to 34. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. How is I Like Salah coming up? I'm going crazy. Yeah, try that. I did. It's the same output, except there's white space. It doesn't make sense. I'm printing this sentence. It knows where the period location is. I'm like literally. I've got no idea what's going on. Oh, I know what it is. What is it? Please tell me. Is it something really dumb? Okay. Well, what line is it? If you tell me the line, I might be able to look into it and fix it. The new sentence is shorter. The new sentence is shorter. What do you mean? It's printing out a longer sentence, though? Oh. How do I move? Oh no! Really? Wait. Okay, hold on. Oh my god, because it's counting. It's not the index. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I see what you mean. I think it's counting from index 13 to 34. Hold on, let me try this out. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, we figured it out. No, it's okay, it's okay. It's like the blind leading the blind. I understand what's going on. Um, hmm. So it should be period location minus the first period location. Yeah, I'm gonna come back to this. Yeah, like this just ain't happening right now. I understand what's going on, but I don't understand. I don't have the capacity to fix it right now. Maybe after like a long break. Um, so it needs to be the second period location minus the first period location. So that actually might work. Yeah, because 34 minus 12 is 24. Oh, because I did the substring first. Oh, they told me to do the remove first. I made my life so much harder. Fuck. Okay. I was like, why did they tell me to do the remove first? It works. Oh God. But now I have to figure this out. Okay. You're a genius, Harry. You're a wizard, Harry. No, it worked, it worked, it worked. You're right, because it's 34 minus 12. Holy. I should have done the remove method first. Wait, do you normally do the remove first and then the substring? Maybe that's why. I've just made my life a lot harder. I'm gonna fix it afterwards, actually. You remove the period location. Then you create the substring. Then you trim it for any white space. Yeah, okay, yeah. So basically I'm an idiot. I'm just a stupid idiot. No, it's okay. I mean, I didn't realize string functions were so complicated. It's good though. It's teaching me a lot about string functions. Um, yeah, let me actually get this out. So fix remove function first, then substring, then trim start. Um, console.write line any remaining sentences without period. To fix. Bro, they're so confusing. Especially when it's like this, but like they're really important because like I mean all programming is really is just playing with data. So if you're good at playing with data, you can basically do anything. Can't believe I didn't figure that out though. But I mean, I guess it is what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna probably stream again later, fix this bug, and hopefully finish this program. Thank you so much for helping though. Enjoy brawlering and relaxing. Alright, I'm gonna end stream now, guys. Thanks for watching. See ya, bro.